This is a template page that I've saved in OneNote. If I go onto a different day of the week, so if I go onto Saturday, all I have to do to repeat that template is go and activate the template page and then go to My Templates and click on Issues, which is what I've called, and then that drops it in like that. So that's what I want to cover on this little video, how to create your own template in OneNote. My name's Steve. Thanks for joining me. Let's get to it. I'm going to go into a different week, so I've got nothing there. So to create the template, first of all, you have to create the structure. So what I'll do is just repeat what I had there. If I get my cursor there, and I'll go back to home. I want a project A and a project B, so I'll just come down and get project A. I'll call this issue A. And if I do shift and enter, it extends that box for me. And then what I'm going to do is just press enter again and do a to do. So I've got a to do A, B, and C, like so. Now, if I want to change the font of all of this, if I just highlight the word issue and then maybe just increase the font slightly, go up to 14 maybe. 14 on that, make it bold so it stands out. If you want everything to be the same color, you can do the same with all of this. Make the whole the text the same, or you can just have the title the same. Whatever you want to do, you can just do that. And then if I come down and do another one, so that's the first box. I want to go for, I'll go for project B. And this one I'll call it issue B. Issue B. And then do that shift and enter to make that a bigger box. And then my to do, and I'll have ABC again. Like so, and I'll just leave that one as it is. Now I want to put an image in here just to make this look a little bit tidier. Just move that over a little bit. So if you want to insert an image, you can make an image as part of the background of the template. So let's do that. So insert picture from file. I've got one called banner, that one. And then you can just position this wherever you want it to go on your little template page. You don't have to do this at all, but I'm going to sit that there. If you right click on that, you can set that as a background. So that's now the background of this. So that's basically what I want. I've created everything, and you can fill your boots and fill it all in down here. What you now need to do is go to templates up there. It's already on page templates, but you just click it on there. Down the bottom, you've got save current page as a template. You're clicking on that. You give it a name. I'll just call this one Steve because I've already got one called issues. I'll click on save. Before I do that though, you can see that there. If I was going to create this structure, week 1, week 2, and then there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday in each one of these, I could have that ticked, and then I would just be able to create a new page for each of these, and it would already have the information on for me. So if I'm not going to do that, but I'm just going to click on save, and that's going to be called Steve. So if I go back to week 1, where I've got all of these, it's a case of just going there, going to my templates. Either I'll select issue because I've finished that one a bit better, so I've tidied that up a bit. So basically, what you do is you create a template, and then like I haven't created anything on week. Let's go to week 3. So let's get Steve. I'll go for issue, and I must have saved that with the word Sunday on it. But if I now just type Monday on there, and then click it again, I get Sunday coming. I'll call this one Tuesday, and so on and so on. Every time you click it, it's going to give you one. Eventually, you will want one called Sunday, like that. But the thing, it's already created. You've got it all the same on every page. Monday's the same, Tuesday's the same, Wednesday's the same. The whole week. Top one, you can get rid of. It's just blank. So create a template, and then just use it onto the pages that you want. Save the template into my templates, and then you can quickly populate your OneNote file. So hopefully that video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.